EHang made some pretty big news this week, publishing several major announcements. Since our last video on EHang, the stock price has shot up from about $81.50 to over $120, gaining about 52% in less than 2 weeks. In today's video, we'll be going over why these recent major announcements contributed to EHang's rising stock price and whether or not you should still consider adding EHang to your portfolio. Let's jump into it. Hello everyone, this is Mark with MC Stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. EHang is a Chinese drone company taking most recognition for their passenger-grade autonomous air vehicles, or AAVs. Their plans with these large drones are primarily to introduce urban air mobility to the world. This means that we could see these flying drones carrying people from destination to destination in heavily populated and dense areas. Likewise, their business objectives for these drones are to provide them for tourism sightseeing, medical aid, and even logistics. We have yet to see AAVs go mainstream out in the broader market. So clearly, this company is looking towards the future and changing the way we think about transportation as a part of a disruptive innovation theme. But how far into the future will we have to wait to see EHang's goals become reality? Well, based on what we've seen so far, we may not have to be too patient. In our last video, we discussed the recent deal EHang has made with France. EHang was selected on January 27th as a key member of the Reinvent Air Mobility Initiative out of 150 applications from 25 countries to build a future urban air mobility ecosystem in Paris in prospects of the 2024 Olympics and Paralympic Games. This means that the world will witness EHang's flying drones during the highly televised Olympic Games, the perfect venue to showcase revolutionary technology. But their influence in Europe did not stop with just this deal in the French Olympics. Just this past week, EHang has made even more advances within the European Union. Let's start off with the first announcement on February 5th, where EHang published that they will demonstrate medical air mobility via participation in the EU-supported Safer Med project. Of the 17 partners participating in this project, EHang is the only company producing passenger-grade electrical vertical landing and takeoff crafts. The purpose of this project is to promote the use of unmanned aviation in healthcare systems across the European Union, aiming to ensure that healthcare is of high quality and accessible to all citizens of the EU. Within 2 years, the project intends to demonstrate advanced drone automation services, enabling the highest possible operational safety levels. This is very exciting news because EHang now has the opportunity to prove at an international level the capabilities their vehicles have in one of the company's key business pillars. Plus, with the project's goal of being able to demonstrate these drones' abilities and safety levels within just 2 years, AAVs are on a fast track to becoming widely adopted. Let's check out the most recent announcement EHang has made. EHang announced on February 8th that they are joining the EU GOF 2.0 research project. This project, also in the European Union, is focused on developing the safe, secure, and sustainable integration of unmanned aerial vehicle operations in urban airspace. This project, likewise, also has a time span of 2 years, with a plan to have a series of demonstrations that will include highly automated real-time separation and networks for air-ground communication. This means that in just the next 2 years, EHang will have numerous opportunities to prove their drones' worthiness of the public market and to demonstrate their business. Europe will be seeing these demonstrations firsthand and will be most exposed to the AAV developments. With all of this focus within the European market, the EU could be one of the first to adopt mainstream public use of EHang's AAVs. And with this adoption will come huge surging growth for EHang's revenue stream and for investors. These announcements have contributed to EHang's amazing stock surge over the past few weeks. Looking at the 1-month stock chart, we can see that the stock price has more than tripled, with it now being worth more than $120. And over the past 6 months, the stock price grew by over 1,000%. EHang is a leader in the autonomous air vehicle space and could soon be a dominant player in the transportation industry, and investors are definitely aware of this potential. Future deals and contracts for EHang could send the stock price even further, as customers and investors catch on to their concepts. The fact that EHang is not yet profitable may not be too concerning, given the fact that they're still in the demonstration phases for most of their projects that they are joining. If they are able to prove to the world that AAVs are safe and effective, profits would pour in due to the new demands. The company offers a huge long-term potential to investors interested in the company's drones and in the future of urban air mobility. Patience with the stock could reward early investors heavily if EHang's concepts take off, but you may not need to wait too long with the rapid stock performance that we have seen in recent weeks, and with the project's timelines completing in the not too distant future. If you are looking to buy shares of EHang and need a brokerage, be sure to use our referral links for M1 Finance in the description below. M1 Finance is doing a great offer currently where you can get a free $30 using our referral link. So use the link below, earn an easy $30, and don't miss out. Good luck everyone with your holdings, and stay tuned on our channel for any news regarding EHang developments. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release our next video. Please like and share for more videos similar to this one, and comment below with any questions that you may have so that we can address them in future videos. Thanks.